Grilling is the simplest cooking technique: heat, food, and some distance between the two. But it's in the details: flames or infrared or both, charcoal, wood, propane or natural gas, built-in or freestanding, where grills can range from an impulsive big box store purchase on the first beautiful weekend of spring to a Flammcraft German-engineered, outdoor cooking experience that costs more than a car. There are many products available to choose the best gas grills, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best gas grills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Titus Fresno Series Gunmetal Gray Island Grill. I have to admit that I was skeptical of the Titus when researching this piece. It seemed to offer the platonic ideal of a high-end outdoor kitchen at a fraction of the price of its competitors. Everything I dislike about a freestanding grill, the hours of assembly, the little additional counter space, and the lack of features of affordable grills seemed to have been addressed in their marketing. But, it turns out, my skepticism wasn't warranted. This grill is a breeze to use and the price is relatively reasonable compared to my best overall pick. It handled burgers well with a quick preheat to come to temperature and an even sear and grill marked veggies impressively. Designed for partying, this is a grill for impressing the neighbors or achieving a high-end look at a vacation home without needing to call the designer or contractor. Number 2. Blaze LTE Built-in Natural or Propane Gas Grill. When Cornwall social owner and experienced griller Elizabeth Dunn installed a Blaze grill as the keystone of her outdoor kitchen, she never thought her chief complaint would be that it can get too hot. And indeed, this one gets very hot, making it ideal for achieving a steakhouse-quality sear at home. After giving Dunn's grill a whirl, I was impressed by its quick ignition and ease of use. But I was most blown away by the heat. The burners whoosh to life and both the quality and quantity of heat are intense. It deeply glazed ribs and charred corn with minimal preheating, but was also gentle enough to keep barbecue sides like cornbread and macaroni and cheese from scorching when set to low and used as an outdoor buffet. Number 3. Weber Summit SB38S Built-in Gas Grill. While more expensive than the Genesis, our best overall pick, Weber's Summit opens up a whole world of standout features, including the infrared broiler, heavy-duty stainless steel grates and included rotisserie. The Summit brings the durability and user-friendliness folks love about the Genesis but has additional functionalities. The Summit infrared broiler cooks from above the food item, sandwiching the food between grill and broiler for an all-around sear. I notice the back of my grill tends to hold more heat than the front, but that's good for circulating my products while cooking them, he says. It's very easy to use and it also is rust-proof even after using it for a ridiculous amount of time. I also use the side burner for boiling corn or making baked beans for the family. I've never had a problem with it except for leaving pork belly on there and walking away from it and almost blowing up my grill due to the dripping fat. Number 4. Napoleon Prestige Pro 500. Would you be fine with any of the other grills on this list? Yeah, probably, but if you want to buy one grill that you'll own for the rest of your life, this is it. You get 900 square inches of grilling space, Napoleon's signature wave grill grates which keep food from falling through, and 6 burners for 80,000 BTUs. This model also has a lighted interior, LED backlit color changing control knobs, and an infrared sear station on the side. To top it all off, there's a rotisserie attachment, so you can do whole chickens or baskets of vegetables. That, plus the fact that it's actually beautiful and worthy of being an outdoor centerpiece, makes this grill everything you could ever possibly want. Number 5. Weber Q1200. We crowned this our favorite portable gas grill, and we're not changing our mind now. It's got enough space to grill for a group, but it's small enough to pack up and take to the campsite or tailgate. There's prep tables on the side, a lid thermometer, and electric ignition. It's everything you want from a gas grill. Plus, the price tag isn't too bad. For a portable grill, this is as good as it gets. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.